Hey, what's up everybody? You got a 2013 Ford Fusion. I'm doing rear brakes on it, but you have to set it in park brake maintenance mode to do the rear brakes. Basically because when you're doing them, the rear brake can just set on you while you have your fingers in there. So what you want to do is get in the car, have your accessories on, put your foot and push the brake pedal, the gas pedal all the way down. And then what you want to do is you want to hold this down, the parking brake, hold the button down, and then with your free hand, you want to turn the key to the off position and then back on. So off and then back on. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the screen. Basically what it'll look like is this. Is when you turn it off and you turn it back on. And you'll see the brake little light up there flash. And then it'll say park brake maintenance mode. And you don't have to press OK. It's just saying like, hey, it's in maintenance mode right now. And that's how you could do your rear brakes now and get all that done. You compress the piston just like a regular piston. You just push it in. And then you do your brakes as usual. And then when you're done, you got to turn the maintenance mode off. So then what you do is instead of pushing it down, you're going to lift this up. So lift it up, have your foot on the gas pedal all the way down again. And this is with the key on. And then turn it off and then turn it back on. And then I'll show you what it's supposed to look like here. Okay, so you turn it off and you turn it back on. And if it pops up and says, you see the light flashing, park brake maintenance mode again, then it means it's still on and something didn't go right, so just try again. I noticed that when I turn it off, it really doesn't give, yours might, but I thought I saw a message when I first did it that said, yeah, it turned off. But the second time I did this, it just seemed like the light flashed, the brake light for a second, and then it was just back to normal. And it stopped giving me the brake maintenance mode prompt. So how you can know for sure is that after you do the procedure, and I'll put the procedure in the description too. Again, it's you hold this up instead of down, and then with your foot on the gas pedal all the way down, you go key off and then key back on. Not starting the engine, just with the accessories. And afterwards, if it's off, you should be able to turn your e-brake on and off and just watch it. And if it's off and the e-brake's working normal, then that's good.